Pickleball is sweeping the nation, and if you're here, you already know the right paddle can make or break your game. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a curious beginner, choosing the perfect paddle is as crucial as mastering your serve. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 pickleball paddles of 2025, the good, the bad, and the game-changing. So sit tight because we're diving into the paddles that will elevate your game like never before. All the links to the products mentioned are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. SixZero Double Black Diamond Control. The SixZero Double Black Diamond Control strikes a perfect balance between affordability and performance, making it a standout choice for intermediate players. For those prioritizing precision and control over raw power, this paddle delivers consistent results without breaking the bank. Its thoughtful design and high-quality materials make it a reliable upgrade from entry-level paddles while remaining accessible to players who aren't quite ready to commit to premium-tier options. One of its key features is the premium carbon fiber surface, which ensures excellent durability while maintaining a lightweight feel. The textured face enhances spin, giving players more options for finished shots and advanced techniques. At 7.8 to 8.2 ounces, the paddle's mid-weight design offers versatility, catering to both offensive and defensive styles of play. Whether you're playing at the net or sending baseline shots, the paddle's balanced weight ensures smooth handling. The Double Black Diamond Control excels in delivering exceptional control, making it ideal for players who value placement over power. While the paddle's sweet spot is slightly smaller than some competitors, it rewards consistency and precision. Its power output is more muted compared to high-end models, but this trade-off enhances its finesse and touch capabilities. For players focusing on precision, this paddle feels like a natural extension of the hand. Overall, the SixZero Double Black Diamond Control is an excellent choice for those stepping up from beginner paddles or looking to refine their control-oriented game. With a reasonable price tag and impressive performance, it's a practical investment for players eager to sharpen their skills without committing to the cost of premium paddles. Number 4. Vatic Pro Prism Flash. The Vatic Pro Prism Flash is a top choice for aggressive players who love incorporating spin into their game. Designed with advanced features at an accessible price point, this paddle delivers high performance that rivals much more expensive options. Whether you're dominating rallies at the baseline or making quick plays at the kitchen line, the Prism Flash is built to elevate spin-heavy gameplay. At its core is the T700 carbon fiber face combined with a 16mm polypropylene core, a pairing that maximizes spin while maintaining an ideal balance between control and power. The paddle's textured surface is tournament-approved, ensuring players can legally unleash its full spin potential in competitive settings. Additionally, the ergonomic handle enhances comfort, allowing for extended play sessions without fatigue, making it an excellent companion for intense matches or practice sessions. The Prism Flash's ability to generate spin is unmatched in its class, giving players added confidence in executing topspin and slice shots for an extra edge in their gameplay. Its balanced weight distribution ensures quick reaction times, making it particularly effective in fast-paced exchanges. However, its focus on spin and speed means it sacrifices some forgiveness on off-center hits, making it less suitable for players still perfecting their accuracy. For those with refined skills and fast swings, it's a perfect match. The Vatic Pro Prism Flash is ideal for advanced or aggressive players looking to dominate both from the baseline and at the net. Demanding precision to unlock its full potential, its affordability and high-end performance features make it a standout paddle for players ready to push their game to the next level. Number 3. Pickleball Apes Pulse. The Pickleball Apes Pulse stands out as a versatile, all-around paddle that caters to both recreational players and those venturing into competitive play. Renowned for its sleek design and consistent performance, the Pulse strikes a harmonious balance between functionality and aesthetics. Its thoughtful construction and lightweight build make it a favorite for players seeking a paddle that performs well across a variety of playstyles. The paddle features an advanced composite surface combined with a 13mm polymer honeycomb core, delivering an excellent mix of power and control. Weighing just under 8 ounces, the lightweight design ensures ease of use, reducing fatigue during extended matches. Adding to its appeal are the paddle's vibrant and durable graphics, which not only enhance its visual appeal but also promise long-lasting performance under rigorous use. The Pulse excels in balancing power and control, making it a versatile choice for players who switch between offensive and defensive strategies. Its thicker core dampens vibrations, offering a smooth and stable feel even during high-intensity volleys. While it may not generate as much spin as the Vatic Pro Prism Flash, the Pulse compensates with a more forgiving sweet spot, ensuring consistent performance even on off-center hits. For players looking to transition from casual to competitive play, the Pickleball Apes Pulse is an excellent choice. It provides dependable performance without the steep price tag of premium paddles, making it an accessible and reliable option for players aiming to elevate their game. With its sleek design, lightweight build, and balanced playability, the Pulse is a paddle that delivers on all fronts. Number 2. CRBN X Series. The CRBN X Series is the paddle of choice for advanced players who demand precision and control in their game. As a premium option in the market, it pairs minimalist aesthetics with cutting-edge performance, making it both stylish and formidable on the court. Designed for competitive players, this paddle delivers the finesse and power required to dominate in every aspect of gameplay. The CRBN X Series features a high-grade T700 raw carbon fiber face, which provides unparalleled spin potential, allowing players to execute advanced techniques with ease. Its 16mm core is specifically optimized for control and vibration dampening, resulting in a smooth feel during play. The paddle also boasts a large, consistent sweet spot, ensuring precision and reliability on every shot. This paddle delivers a seamless blend of power and control, enabling players to dictate the pace and placement of their shots with confidence. The gritty surface texture significantly enhances spin potential, making it a favorite for players employing advanced strategies like topspin drives and slice shots. While the paddle's weight distribution leans slightly head-heavy, favoring powerful strokes, it may feel less agile to those prioritizing ultra-quick maneuvers. Although the CRBN X Series is undeniably on the pricier side, it justifies the investment with its high-end materials, consistent performance, and superior craftsmanship. For serious players committed to advancing their game, this paddle is a top-tier choice that delivers on all fronts. Its combination of precision, control, and spin potential makes it a standout option for competitive play. Number 1. Honolulu J2 Ti. The Honolulu J2 Ti is the pinnacle of pickleball paddle innovation for 2025, seamlessly combining cutting-edge technology, durability, and unmatched performance. Designed to cater to all skill levels, this paddle's advanced features particularly shine in competitive play, offering versatility and reliability to players looking to dominate the court. At the core of its excellence is a titanium-infused carbon fiber face, which sets a new standard for strength, spin potential, and durability. This unique material ensures the paddle remains lightweight without compromising its robust build. Paired with a 14mm core optimized for vibration dampening, the J2 Ti provides the perfect balance of power and finesse. Its ergonomic handle features an anti-slip grip, delivering unmatched comfort and control during long matches or intense rallies. The Honolulu J2 Ti excels in spin, power, control, and durability, making it a true all-rounder. The titanium infusion not only enhances durability but also maintains the paddle's lightweight feel, ensuring consistent performance over time. Its wide sweet spot makes it forgiving for beginners who are still mastering their technique while providing the precision demanded by advanced players. Although the J2 Ti comes with a premium price tag, it offers exceptional value as a long-term investment for avid players. Its high-quality materials and advanced performance features ensure it remains competitive and reliable for years to come. For those seeking the ultimate pickleball paddle that truly does it all, the Honolulu J2 Ti stands unrivaled, cementing its place as the best paddle of 2025. From budget-friendly options to high-performance masterpieces, these paddles cater to every type of pickleball player out there. Whether you're a beginner honing your skills, an intermediate player seeking the perfect balance, or a seasoned pro aiming for the top, there's a paddle on this list to elevate your game. Each paddle we've reviewed offers unique strengths, be it spin, power, control, or durability. So the ultimate choice depends on your style of play. So which one will you be taking to the court in 2025? We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know your pick, or if there's a paddle you think should have made the list. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this guide helpful, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest gear, reviews, tips, and everything pickleball. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the court.